Excuse me. Are you Baba?
Huh?
Is your name Baba?
My name is Baba.
Come on! We're running out of time! Let's go!
But why?
In the year 2981, a dictator named Tetaku ruled the world. He made everyone slaves. You're our only hope.
Our time is now! Ahu! Ahu!
Master, what if the prophecy comes true?
The prophecy is next to impossible. We are indestructible. And we are the most powerful living thing! Ahu! Ahu!
Master! He's here!
Our only hope. Save us all.
Master!
So you're Baba!
I came here to destroy you, man.
I was the one that killed your master!
Eh, ano? Ang pangit mo, baka! Mas pangit ka!
Oh, ba't ka nandito?
Carlo! Carlo!
Ayun yung weapon mo! Weapon! Bigay mo! Kaya mo yan! Akin na! Kaya mo yan!
Puro ka ganun! Mamatay ka na!
Malaglag ka na! Malaglag ka na!
Sumot ka na kayo kita! It's over! Man, it's over! It's over!
Thank you for everything. This will bring you back to your time.
It's a pleasure.
Ang pangit mo, baka!
Bakit mo rin? Bakit?
Pangit mo talaga! Ewan ka! Tangin mo! Oh!
Master! He's here! Master! He's here! Excuse me, are you Baba? Is your name Baba? Come on, we're running out of time. Let's go! Your dad is here.
So you're Baba!
Came here to destroy you, man.
I was the one that killed your master!
Eh ano, papatayin pa rin kita.
What?